Alrighty, Trey Veston here, and welcome to an official edition of my father's firearms. Today I'll be shooting one of the most looked forward to firearms to shoot. It is this Sharps rifle made by the Classic Rifle Company in Bend, Oregon. I'm not sure if they're still in business. I've heard that they make some beautiful stuff, and this rifle is no exception. It's chambered in the Big 50, the 50-90. And this rifle, I don't believe it's killed a buffalo, but my father did take it to Africa and shot an elephant with it. And I remember, gosh, I must have been, I was in high school, junior high, I don't know, it was in the 80s. And I remember him saying specifically that he got 34 inches of penetration into the skull from a headshot with this rifle, using a 600 grain bullet. And I don't know anything about elephant hunting, but 34 inches into an elephant seems pretty good. I was a little disappointed to hear he only shot at 30 yards. That didn't really seem like hunting per se, more like harvesting, but whatever. I'm not going to judge. I'm just going to shoot this thing and see what it's like. Loads we're going to be using are his, of course. What I found, and it looks like it's 91 grains of Swiss. I don't know if it's FFG or triple, I don't know. We'll look at the recipe. But 600 grain hard cast flat nosed bullet, and we're going to shoot that at 50 yards, see how it does. Then we're going to shoot, I think, some canned goods, just because this is now currently the biggest caliber I own, and I want to blow stuff up with it. So I'm going to shoot some expired canned goods and see what it does to them. And then we'll shoot the same canned goods with my 10 millimeter. And in the video that we showed, you can see the 10 millimeter versus the 50-90 Sharps, and quite a bit of difference. So let's get to shooting and see what this rifle can do. Now, like all of my father's rifles lately, I don't know if it's sighted in or not. This thing, it doesn't look like he's shot it in years. So I've cleaned it, ran a patch through the bore, checked the bore, it's good. I've checked everything for safety. I've learned to do that now. Make sure all the rifles are in safe operating functionality. So, alrighty, let's shoot it and prepare for, I don't think it'll hurt. It's black powder. Black powder usually doesn't hurt too bad. And it's a big heavy rifle, good pad. Alrighty, let's do it. Alrighty, let's do the trigger test. Now, this is a double set trigger, so there's actually a couple different weights. The first back trigger, that is pulled to release the front trigger, and this is going to be a really heavy pull. It's maxing out my gauge. So there you go. You press that, you set that, and now it's super light. So let's check that out for the front. Go to the front trigger. It's, I don't know, can you see that? See that, Vern? It's less than a pound. Reset. That is set. And this one, you just touch the thing. Okay. Yeah, I don't like that. We're sitting at half a pound. My father loved light triggers, and they scare me a little bit. Alrighty. Well, we're going to shoot it because I don't want to mess with it. I think I can probably adjust the trigger. There's a little screw underneath there. You can see that. Yeah, I'm sure that adjusts it, but I don't want to mess with it because I don't want to break it. It's worth more than most stuff I own. So, alrighty, let's start shooting. Alrighty, got the first round loaded up. Seated nice. See if we can't get Okay, we are set on the top left target. Good sight picture. First trigger is released. Big boom, lots of smoke. Where'd we go? Oh, we are very close. Low left. I told you it's going to be a big boom, Arlo. I have. Yeah, I got these a little wet. Okay. Poor Arlo. Sorry, buddy. Alrighty, it occurred to me that I had a perfectly good set of shooting sticks, which is what you usually use with these rifles instead of a sandbag and a weird rest. So there we go, got the sticks out, and only second shot. We swabbed between, ran a couple patches through, so we're good to go. Got a good side picture. And first trigger released. Second trigger, don't breathe too hard. Good side picture. And I didn't cock it back. There we go. Oh, I'll get this. First trigger released. Second trigger, don't breathe on it. Sight picture. Okay, lots of smoke. I would describe the okay, second shot. Where are you? Hard to say. The first one was low left. Next one I think is just up there. All right, well, let's just keep shooting. Get a third shot. We'll cock it this time. That'll help. Okay. First trigger released. Second trigger, sight picture. Oh, holy. Okay. I don't know if I'm recoil sensitive or this is just a really big kick, but it's throwing the. Okay. Third shot is clearly just below the first shot. And they're both to the left and low. So I think we're going to call that good enough to blow some stuff up. But yeah, oh my gosh, my shoulder is hurting. Shoulder is hurting. And that's how dirty the barrel is after just shooting 3 shots without running a patch. Or I think I did two or three shots. Anyway, yeah, in competition you want to, you blow tube and then run a patch every couple shots, but still, that's a lot of crud. So, all right, let's go take a look at the target. All right, another beautiful day. Forgot to mention the weather. Very light wind. I think it's 76 degrees. Grass has grown exponentially, just mowed a week ago or so. and can't hardly tell. Gonna have to do some more trimming. Anyway, the shots, not bad. This is 55 yards, just to the left and a little low, and that's 2 1/4 inches. Hope I got that. Let's see, middle of that one, yeah, 2 1/4, 2 3/8. Anyway, minute of elephant, definitely. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I think we can reliably blow up some cans now and see what a 50-90 does to canned goods, and compare that to what a 10mm does to canned goods. Alrighty, here we go. Trying to get Arlo to stay in the pickup. He doesn't want to. He's sit right here by my side. Told him, tried to warn him. So it was scary, buddy. Yeah, both of us. Alrighty, we got a big can of pumpkin filling out there. Let's see what this thing will do. First trigger released. Aim a little high. Oh my gosh, there's still stuff coming down. Oh gosh. And people ask, why do you like guns? Because you can blow up pumpkin cans and it's fun. Oh, see, Arlo? That wasn't as bad as we thought. We'll have to check that out in slow-mo later. Oh gosh. Alrighty. Next can. I think we got some chicken soup dumplings. Alrighty, next up. We've got some Progressive chicken noodle soup, or Progresso. Hope they're not progressive. Alrighty. Another 600 grain flat point. Okay, that's just annoying. Uh-oh. There we go. A little sticky to eject. Yeah, I got my my fouling patches a little too wet. So, or else I'd be patching more often. But, okay. Some chicken noodle soup. Good for the soul, especially when you blow it up with the 50-90 sharps. Get our sight picture. There it is. And first trigger release. Second trigger. That was very satisfying. I'm hoping the close-up camera's getting that, because that's going to be awesome. Alrighty, now that's what a 50-90 sharps does at approximately 20 yards. Let's see what a 10mm will do. Alrighty, let's get this patched up. Ready for some more fun. Okay. Arlo's going nuts. It's like there's food everywhere now. Alrighty, next we're going to compare it to the 10mm. This is my T-Sauce D10. Love this pistol. It's awesome. Let's shoot it. Probably going to be like 5 yards away. And see what it does to the can of soup compared to the 50-90 sharps. Probably not going to be as impressive. Alrighty. Okay, Arlo, come over here, buddy. Behind the firing line. Come on. Oh, sit. Yeah. Good boy. Okay. Don't be scary. No, you gotta be over here. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's... Don't do this at home, kids. Impressive, but... Oh, celery. And carrots. Okay. Oh, I have celery on my pistol. Safety on. Drop the mag. My last bullet out. Holster. Arlo, you have carrots on your face. Oh my gosh. There's pieces of food everywhere. This is awesome. Okay. Alrighty. Looks like that thing is still recording, so shut that down. There we go. Okay. 10mm can. 5090 can appears to be gone. It's the pumpkin filling can. Okay, let's go check these out. Alrighty. Arlo is on the case. Wow. That's impressive. That's with 180 grain XTP hollow points. This is the 5090 Sharps. Just wow. Oh, here's the 5090 Sharp soup can. It just properly vaporized it. I would say there's quite a bit of difference in the effects of 10mm versus, yeah, Arlo, I know. Be careful, don't cut your tongue, buddy. There's a lid. It's one of the soup cans. So yeah. That's crazy. Well, the birds will be happy, and the coyotes. Alrighty, and Trey Veston here, signing off for the day. We've shot the big 50, the 5090 Sharps elephant gun. Didn't have any elephants, but we did have a can of pumpkin sauce, whatever filling that we vaporized properly. So hopefully that'll show up. I was looking at my GoPro, and I don't know if it was the first shot that absolutely coated it in debris, or if it was one of the cans of soup. But yeah, I don't know how much footage we're going to get out of that. But anyway, that was cool. So yeah, it was a lot of fun shooting the big Sharps. It did hurt. I'm sure I'm going to be a little black and blue in the morning, but oh well. It was worth it. Shot Dad's Africa elephant gun, so that's pretty cool. And if anybody has any insight into the folks that built that rifle down in Bend, Oregon, let me know. It's always fun to hear the background. My father didn't tell me a whole lot about his guns. A couple here and there he waxed eloquently on about, but not all of them, and this is one of them. I just remember him taking it to Africa when I was in junior high school, and shooting an elephant and getting that 34 inches of penetration and a direct headshot through the skull and down into the body of the elephant. So yeah, that's impressive, and we used it to blow up soup cans. So sure, I'm a big disappointment to my father. So, but it's fun. So, alrighty. Trey Veston out, and join me next time when we shoot one of my father's firearms, and hopefully with more dignity for the next one. Alrighty, bye.